Hey folks, today is June the 19th. It's currently 9:37 in the morning. We're going to look at doing our Ranger EA week number 7 update. If you recall, last week we did 0.70% return. So let's jump in here now and see how things went this week. I have not had a chance to check this. So we can definitely see we made a profit this week, and overall we're up 5.09%. How about that? So we actually earned 0.7% again this week. That's very interesting. We earned the exact same amount that we did last week. Definitely not complaining. As we can see here, we're up 1.57% for the month of June here. And I know somebody sent me an email asking, why was I still going to continue testing the Ranger EA when you can no longer purchase it separately on the website here? We come down here. The vendor now is only selling it with the other two EAs here, Ranger Redemption Pinpoint, mainly the reason I'm going to continue this test for this week and maybe one more week to kind of round things out is because if you do purchase this right here, you can actually trade just the Ranger, for example. So this is still showing people, I guess, how the Ranger by itself performs. And let me see if I can pull this up real quick here. Give me 1 second. All right, so as you can see, Ranger EA. So if you only wanted to use Ranger EA after purchasing this, you could still go ahead and just set up the Ranger EA on the GBP CAD and AUD CAD. So that's kind of the main reason why I'm just letting this test run, even though it's supposed to be set up right now as kind of a whole set, I guess. It's supposed to be safer that way. And let's see here. And I believe the vendor did lower the price while he builds up this MyFX book link here. As you can see, it's only been about, I'm going to say about 4 to 6 weeks that he's been running it. So after he gets more data on here and it shows that it's consistently profitable, I'm pretty sure I read somewhere, and we'll take a look at the announcements here in a moment, but I'm pretty sure I read that he plans on raising the price, I think another $200. So basically 500 for all three of the EAs is what we're looking at right here. And I'm going to click buy now. I think it's $4.97. Yep. All right, RFT 3 EA bundle. All right, let's come back here real quick. And as you can see, the vendor with the 3 EA bundle, this week did 0.27%. And that's one thing that I have noticed with this is that the weekly percentages have definitely been much smaller, but I'm guessing that the EA with all 3 is significantly safer. So I'm guessing it's going to be a trade-off here. This is a $50,000 live account, so I'm assuming the vendor does have some confidence in this particular grouping here. And if we come over here, I know that they did just recently release. Let me get this back here. Give me 1 second. I know that they recently released another update for this grouping, but let's go ahead and take a look at some of these updates before we jump into the VPS to take a look at the MT4 here. All right, give me 1 second. Let's get back to the beginning of the week so we make sure we get all the updates that we need here. All right, so it looks like he's developing a MT5 EA, but I'm trying to find anything on his currently launched stuff here. Small update for the Pinpoint EA is now available. This new version fixes a discrepancy with the Pinpoint EA and the Equity Close EA. If you're using the Equity Close EA with the Pinpoint, this update is very important. Changes. We removed the Pinpoint from the Equity Close EA because of the higher profit target beyond 0.30% on some trades. The new Pinpoint version 2.21 now includes its own 15% total account stop loss to ensure its safety on the user's account. All updates were sent through SendOwl, and this, as you can see, is yesterday on the 18th here. All right, that's more information about the hybrid EA he has coming out. And let's jump up here to Ranger EA chat. That's unfortunate. All right, let's scroll up here and see what people are talking about. Based on Ryan's MyFX book, the EA is not doing so good. I feel the old Ranger EA is better, has 3 years of good profitable results. Can I understand why people argue about the old Ranger? Okay, I could have swore there was more in here. Let's scroll up, guys. Let's see here. Anyone get an AC sell? Ryan's account got a buy, not a sell. Let's keep on scrolling up. See what type of results people are getting here. All right, I didn't get these trades. Do you have these open? Currently, Ryan has the following 5 level AC trades. All right, just a slow market phase from what I've been told. It happens from time to time. All right, just be patient. Don't have any trades activated on Ranger currently. So at least we can see that there are other people that are in similar situations. Things are just a little bit slow right now. All right, I think it's all waiting for red events as a catalyst. So many USD red events to recall. Let's see here. It was a dud till Thursday when things kicked off in high gear. Lucky for us, we don't have to wait until Thursday. It all starts tomorrow with more PPI inflation data. The market has been trashed lately. We've been in a shitty range. Seems like it's very calm on the 3 EAs. I only have one open GU trade. All right, so looks like people aren't getting a lot of trades even with all 3 of the EAs that are running. All right, so not a whole lot of information here, but we can definitely kind of get an idea of the sentiment in the group. Let's check out Ranger Drawdown Chat. All right, let's see how the trading day ends. 8 weeks have passed. It was turned into a nice bullish hammer on the daily. And let's see here. Boy, oh boy, am I depressed right now. I can't see any way to get out of this. Trying to figure out exactly what's going on here. Take a breather, bro. Think we'll be all right. Don't let emotions through. Look at the chart and don't stare at the drawdown. Agreed. Just looking at other pairs after the carnage since Wednesday. Okay, so it looks like there's definitely been some challenges just based on what we're seeing here. Hope you guys are right. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. I'm with you also, bro. Stay cool. All right, so it looks like the Ranger is having some issues. And if most people have already updated to the 3 EA, it's possible. Like I said, I'm not sure if these individuals are specifically talking about the Ranger here. Specifically that one individual. And I'd actually like to see where he mentioned. So this guy's talking about he's depressed. So let's see exactly, see if he mentioned up here what sort of drawdown he's in. LOL, no way this is happening. So we're getting close to whatever's going on here. Because like I said, with my charts and everything, they're a little bit off. Here we are. All right, so I'm not seeing exactly where the issue is here. If you guys are in the room, you can obviously come in here and find out exactly what sort of a situation this individual is in and what some of the other people are in, it looks like as well. So we'll just be patient and let's jump back over here to the home page and see exactly what. All right, so this is going to be Ranger week number 7. So I definitely have some decisions to make here. As one individual mentioned, we don't have the ability to just buy the Ranger EA by itself. And obviously nobody's going to come here and, I guess, purchase this with all 3 EAs just for the Ranger. And it looks like, from what I can see, all three of the expert advisors together are bringing in around 0.27 per week. I can't recall last week what they earned, but I know it was between 0.3 and 0.5%. So we're going to, like I said, let me know in the comment section. You guys want to see me, I guess, run this 3EA package, or would you like me to look at testing out something? There's another EA coming out. I'm not going to name it or go into details. I don't want to do that on the Ranger video here, but just let me know if you guys want me to test this 3EA. It might be, profitable, more profitable than some of the others, but just based on what I'm seeing over here, and I think these people might be in drawdown still from just the Ranger, so I'm not sure if they've all switched over to this particular EA yet. And I don't think they have a room for all three of the EAs. I think they're still separated, as you guys can see here. The Vigorous, the Pinpoint, Active Ranger, Trades. So yeah, everything is still separated out. So it's hard to tell what trades they're actually in and with which EA. Anyway, just rambling on at this point. Let's go ahead and jump into the VPS. Give me 1 second. All right, so we are in the VPS right now. We can see that MyFX book, smiley face there. Everything's uploaded successfully. And the EA, smiley face. And over here, AUD, CAD, smiley face as well. So everything is looking good there. And we can come in here and take a look. First day of the week was the 14th. So we only had 4 trades this week, all of them winners. And we have no trades open going into the weekend. So we can definitely see that when I started this test, we didn't get into those trades that a lot of other people are in with the heavy drawdown. All right, so like I said earlier, guys, let me know in the comment section how you guys did this week if you're trading with this particular expert advisor. And also let me know if you guys want to see me run the 3EA test as seen here. And one thing I didn't show you guys is where he mentioned the pricing. He did mention somewhere here that the pricing was going to be around 500, but that he would be raising it after he built up a track record with the EA. All right, small changes and bug fixes. That's not anything we need here. Yeah, I'm not going to go through searching it, but all right, the 3 EAs should trade the same on a 500 to 1 and 100 to 1 leverage account. This was done on purpose to remove the need for preset files. All right, so it might have been in an EA that he sent that out to us. So if I can find it, I will show that to you guys in the next update. But yeah, anyway, let me know. Should I continue on even with the Ranger EA for 1 more week? Or should I just kind of let this test go? We can kind of see or get an idea as to how things are going with it. And we saw in the chat room, or excuse me, the Discord here, that people are still in some pretty heavy drawdown. And my results, you can see, last few weeks have been relatively positive. 0.0% this week, 0.70% last week and this week. So that's definitely a positive thing, even though we see that there are people still in some of those tough situations. And we also see that the 3EA is, like I said, bringing in positive results here, but just very small profits, 0.20 to 0.50% per week. So if you have, a $100,000 account, live account, this would be good if it's consistent and it's, low drawdown consistently. This could, be very good if it's safe. But like I said, I'm not going to be there anytime soon. So, most I'd probably get in here is $2,000 or $3,000 if we see that it's consistently profitable. So, like I said, just let me know in the comments what you guys feel with this, or if you want to see me, continue to test or try to start to test the 3EA, or if you want me to move on to something else. All right, rambled on for long enough here. Hope you guys have are having a great weekend, and I will see you maybe next week on another update, depending on the comments that I see below this video. All right, folks. I'll wait to get your results or hear what you have to say. Take care.